Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. It's 2022. We are ready to fire up a new year, and today it's a 16 GT manual transmission running the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger. As always, we're going to watch a dyno pull, see what it makes. It's going to lay down well over 600 rural horsepower. I have Doug with me. We're going to go down, take a look at the engine compartment, look at the Supercharger, talk more about some other mods we did to this car. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe, hit notify to stay up to date. Let's go check it out. All right, everybody, here's what's cooking on the 16 GT. Doug, come down, take a look. Hey, I actually like the carbon fiber stripes on this car, but it's the Roush. It's a TVS 2300 intercooled supercharger. This is what we call the Phase 2 kit. It's about 12 pounds of boost, running 93 octane on this, but there are some more mods besides just this Phase 2 intercooled supercharger. I love this because it's instant torque, right when you go wide open throttle. But we installed billet oil pump gears, all the cooling mods. So we have a large Adler radiator, rear cylinder head cooling kit, as well as a cooler thermostat, and a set of Cook's long tube headers. DW 95-pound injectors and a Kenny Bell booster pump. That's the recipe. That's how we're going to lay down 650 rural horsepower on the 16 GT right here. So check out this dyno pull. Then we'll go look at the graph. All right, Doug, check out these numbers. I love this on the Roush Phase 2 kit. Dynojet SAE, 652 rural horsepower, peaking at 7,700 RPM. Torque, awesome, 520. Rear wheel torque peaking at 5,500. Over 450 right when you go right open throttle. But Doug, look at this. So peak boost, 12.6 PSI at 8,000, all right? But we're at over 10 PSI right when we went wide open throttle. Maintains over 10 PSI all the way through the RPM range, and then creeps up at the very end, tapping that number 12 right there. So, you know, I said it's 12 PSI kit. It is, but really you're running 10 PSI most of the, pull right there. So 16 GT is a set of Cook's headers, Phase 2 kit, 95-pound injectors, booster pump, custom calibration, sweet setup, cooling mods, oil pump gears. Doug, take one more look. I love this car right here. It's a really, really great color. It's a really clean car, really can't complain, and when you go out and drive it and go wide open throttle, the car's gonna be super fast. So hey, if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'm Brent from Brenspeed. I'd be happy to answer. And then typically we have these superchargers in stock, so if you want it shipped to your door, we can do that. Or you want an install, you simply email quote@brenspeed.com. Thanks for watching.